So today we're doing a project that I was not expecting to have to do. We're replacing the garage door. Now what happened is I'd been working late into the night. I have this little TV tray that I've been keeping all my painting supplies for the spray gun on, and I set it inside the garage, but just not quite far enough. So when the garage door came down, it hit that TV tray and the garage door just kept pushing. Everything started buckling out. I was yelling and cussing, couldn't get it to go back up. And now we're in this situation. So the first step to actually installing this new garage door is to get rid of the old one. So they're gonna take the doors off, get rid of all of that old railing system, and get rid of the old springs as well. So now one thing we're gonna do with this door, because we're in this situation, we're actually gonna take this opportunity to upgrade a little bit. The pre-existing door was just a regular garage door, aluminum, nothing fancy about it. What we're going back with is actually going to be an insulated door, and it's going to have steel on either side of an insulated core. So that's going to be upgraded, and then we're also replacing the garage door opener so that it has the feature so that this doesn't happen again. Now what they're going to do is actually install all of the new railing for the new door to be sitting on. This next part goes fast. So what they do is they take those panels, slide them on the railing, and they'll actually start attaching those hinges together. And in seconds, it looks like you already have a brand new door put in place. So the next item to put in is the spring. Now that's what actually makes it feel like you're not picking up much weight whenever you're opening the garage, while that garage is actually still quite heavy. Dealing with the springs is not a do-it-yourself job. That is something you want to hire a professional for. It can get real dangerous real fast. So the last thing is, I actually want a brand new opener. Mainly because I don't want this same issue to happen again. The cool thing with this opener though is it has a lot more features than that old dinosaur that we had in the garage. It actually comes with an app on my phone so I can open it for anybody that's coming to the house. It has a camera on it so I can see who's coming into the house through the garage. And I haven't set it up yet, but it can actually hook up to my Amazon account so delivery packages can be set into the garage rather than on the front porch. Now they're gonna add the release pull, they're gonna lubricate all of the rails, and everything's good to go. So one more thing we're gonna have to add, because this is an insulated door now, is some weather stripping around the entire thing so that it really seals in the temperatures.
Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.